you said that you were doing the combined practice for the phase 1 and phase 2 GA and ESI. So how were you able to remember? Were you making your own notes, or you were just printing out the PDFs and highlighting the points?
I didn't make my own notes for anything apart from management. I didn't make my own notes, but yeah, I used to take the printouts of different PDFs available. I used to follow only one source, and I used to revise that multiple times. For anything, the revision is the key, I could say. And for ESI phase 2, almost all the questions were from government schemes only, but the schemes should be read in such a depth. That I used to see so many marathon videos of EduTap and other sources which were available in the YouTube. So they used to cover so many government schemes in some 100 questions, 200 questions like that. And followed by that question, there used to be a mind map. So I used to take a screenshot of that for last minute revision.